Hello everyone, this video is a part of build a WordPress blog website step by step Udemy course. So in this video, we will cover how to design fully functional blog website using Astra theme, and we will use free version. Also we will use Elementor blog editor to make our website fully customized, and most importantly, when we design this website, we will use the help of AI. So AI will do the heavy duties for us and we only need to adjust stuff. As an example, if I go inside this post template will generated by AI and there is nothing to do. And on home page, this content is fully customizable, and in this video I will show how to customize this hero part and how to add this fan favorite recipes or most popular recipes section. And if you like the knowledge that you gather by checking this video, you can find the full course on Udemy and the link on description. So let's go.
Hello everyone, now it's time to buy a domain and hosting because we need the domain and hosting to host our WordPress website. So first let's pick a domain. There is a website called tld-list.com. In this website you will see all the promotions and deals of the domain providers, and from here you can buy a domain that select best hosting and get cheapest domain. Here you will see a filter. So in here I will search our domain name as web design custom, and here I have to click on verify you are not a robot. Okay, here we have the available domains, and from this price filter I will put it like $1, and let's see what type of domain that we have for $1. So in here we have web design custom.us domain for $0.99 on Namecheap. So I will pick this one. Also in the spaceship we can got .xyz domain for $0.98. So here I just click on Namecheap and it will redirect to the Namecheap, and here I can search the domain name. So let's copy it from here and paste it, then click on search. We don't need the .com, we need .us. So here we can see the .us. Actually we can add like .us. Okay, now here we have it for $2.98. I just click on add to cart and it added to the cart. So now I click on checkout, and here I can add the promo code. So I will go here and let's find out the promo code. This 99 special is the promo code. So I just copy it and paste it here, click on apply. Okay, now I have to log into my Namecheap account. Actually I already have a Namecheap account, so if you don't have one you can click on create free account and follow the step. In my case I will click on login, and here I will add my username and password. Okay, I just logged into the Namecheap account, and here I will add the promo code. Just copy it from here and paste it like this, click on apply, and now we have the subtotal as 0.99, and I will untick all of this stuff. So remove it, we don't need any of those stuff. So now I can click on confirm order. Before I confirm the order I will go to namecheap.com and let's refresh it. Then we can select hosting by clicking this hosting and click on shared hosting, and in Namecheap we can get this Stellar and Stellar Plus package to design and develop our WordPress website. So in the Stellar package we will have email feature, and we will have the 20 GB SSD and 3 websites. in the Stellar Plus we will have unlimited domain. However, there is a limit. Even though it's a unlimited, it's never unlimited. I think it's just a marketing gimmick. However, in here we have unlimited mailbox and we have this auto backup feature. This auto backup feature is very powerful and my recommendation is pick this Stellar Plus account if you are going to use the Namecheap server for your real website. So currently there is a Black Friday deal. That's why the amount is this much low. However, still Namecheap is the cheapest and affordable hosting provider out there. And here we can set the billing as monthly or yearly. If we set it as monthly, it will be cost this much. However, I will set it yearly and now we can get it for $22.88 and we can renew it after a year for $44.88. So now I click on get started and here we set it as new domain and click on ready in the cart and our total cost will be 23.87 cents. So now I can click on add to cart and here I can click on confirm order. However, I already have a Stellar Plus hosting, so I don't need this hosting. So I just click this close icon and I only need the domain. Also, you can get domain from those other providers, and if we go to this XYZ domain on Spaceship, we can search the domain name here and continue the work. But for this, I will choose the Namecheap and now I click on confirm order and continue the purchasing process. Also, very important thing, before you purchase the domain, always check the text of the domain. So if you purchase domain with wrong text or wrong characters, it will be not represent your brand. So always recheck the text of your domain name. Also, if you search domain like custom web design, you will see that this domain is already taken, which means we can't get this domain, and instead of getting that domain we can get this type of domain. So when we get a domain, we always have to check the domain is top level domain or not. To do that, you can just search on Google, like if we are going to buy .xyz domain, we can search is .xyz domain a top level domain. Then it's a XYZ is a top level domain name, and in that way you can find out best domain name. But most familiar domain names are .com, .net, .org. If it's UK, it's .co.uk, like this. So getting top level domain is really important because Google and other search engine will rank top level domains easily than just ranking some low level domains. So I will see you after I complete the domain purchase process. Okay, now here we have the domain name and now we have to change the DNS. To change the DNS, I will click on manage. Changing DNS means we have to configure the domain with the server. And here we have Namecheap basic DNS. I will change it to Namecheap web hosting DNS. Then I will click on this save icon and it changes. Okay, now what we have to do is go to the cPanel. So I go to hosting list and in the hosting list, here is our hosting. So here we have go to cPanel icon. I just click on it and it will redirect to the cPanel. So it doesn't matter what type of domain or hosting provider that you choose, all cPanels have the same functionality. So I will scroll down and here we have domain section. So I just click on it and now from here I click on create a new domain. Here we have exist domain set. So just click on create a new domain and here let's add the domain name. Just copy the domain name and paste it like this. Then in the hosting server it will create new folder called custom website design.us. Okay, so we will have a subdomain. So now I click on submit button. Okay, the domain is successfully created. So if I click here and go to the website, it will look like this. In Namecheap we have pre-SSL certificate for 1 year. So when we click here, we can see connection is secure, which means SSL certificate is configured correctly, and also our URL is HTTPS. Okay, so now all good. If you didn't get this page, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and this page will appear. Okay, now what we have to do is install WordPress in the domain. Hello everyone, it's time to install WordPress. So I go to the cPanel, and in cPanel we have Softacular app installer. I just click on it, and here we have WordPress, and from here I just click on install, and now here I have to select the details. First I will select HTTPS, and without this www.part, so just HTTPS as the protocol. Then I will select the domain name. So here is our domain name, and here I will choose the latest version of the WordPress, and I will not add any directories. I will just install WordPress in the root folder, and here we can change the site name and site description, but let's change those stuff while we design the website. For now let's keep those stuff as it is, and here we have to add admin username and admin password. So I will add those details. Also will add the password. Make sure to remember your username and password, because you should have to use this username and password to log into the WordPress. And from here I will change this admin email to working email, because currently this email is not working. And okay, scroll down, and here I don't need this any extra plugins. Just remove all the extra plugins, and now click on this install button, and it start to install the WordPress on our website. Okay, WordPress successfully installed, and from here I can click this URL and go to the WordPress website, and also in the administrative URL I can go to WordPress like this. So from here I just click on no, I don't want to try an easy setup process, and here is our WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, we can just add our website URL and then add wp admin at end of the website URL. Okay, now here is our website look like. So in the next lesson we will clear up the WordPress and remove all unnecessary stuff from our WordPress website.
Hello everyone, as the first step we have to install the theme. So I will go to appearance and click on themes. Currently we have this 2025 themes, and we have to install the Astra theme. So I will go here and search Astra, and here we have Astra theme, and it's Astra by Brainstorm Force. So click on install and click on activate. Then we have to install the plugin. So this plugin will responsible for generate us structure of the block. So the plugin is starter template. So go to plugins, click on add plugin, and here search starter templates. Then you will get this starter templates, AI powered templates for Elementor and Gutenberg. So it's by Brainstorm Force. So click on install now and click on activate. Alright, now we got to this setup wizard. So here we have two options, and select this AI website builder option. Click on build with AI, and on here we have to add the website name. So my blog is related to food recipes, so my blog name is Flavorful Bites, and here we have to select the this website is for. So in my case it's food blog, and I will click on next, and here I have to describe the website type. The easy way is just copy this text and go to ChatGPT and add your requirements, then ChatGPT will generate the text to add here. Or if you want to do it manually, you can just answer those questions in this text area. I have ChatGPT generated content about this blog, and especially when you do this, make sure to add blog part. So in that way, this AI will clearly understand that we are going to design a blog. So now I click on next. Here I will add my email address. Then I am not going to add my phone number or address. So I click next. On here I can search images, so let's search like cooking tips, and I will get this type of images set. So we can select any of them. I will search like food recipes, and here we go. I will select some good images like this. Let's search like food, press enter, and here we have more food image like this. Just select few of them as you wish, and I think this is enough. Then what I can do is just click on next button. Here I have to select the editor, and in our case I will select Elementor. It's still beta version, but this generate beautiful website. And now here I will just search blog, maybe food blog. Okay, now you will see this premium templates. To get those templates we have to get premium subscription, but here we have free templates, and if we click on load more we can see more templates. The thing is that only we need to design the header, footer and blog post template, so the rest of the design we can create easily with Elementor and Astra. So here I will select this template, and here I can change the font as I like. I will keep this first one, and also I can change the color, and this green color is best for me. Then I click on continue, and here you can select all the plugins that you wish to add to the website, and for now let's keep only those stuff. So if I select this SEO and search visibility, we will see this sure rank, but we can use plugin like rank math. And if you wish to add live chat, you can add this plugin. In our case we don't need any of them. Just click on start building, and here if you want to have the old content of your website, you can just tick this, or you can click on start building button, and it will redirect you to the WP zip website, and you will have to create an free account. In my case I already did this process, that's why I didn't redirect to that page. Our website is building, and we can see the process here. Here I got an error, so now I click here to try again, and let's try to complete the process again. All okay, we successfully generated the website. If we click on see your website, we can see our website in new template like this, or new window like this, or we can click on view dashboard to go to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, now this is the website that generated by the AI, and we can edit each and every section of this website. The header and footer section is located on Astra, and the body content is designed with Elementor. And special thing, if we go to blog, the blog page is already designed well, and if we go inside the blog, and the single blog post is also generated well. And this is why using this type of starter template plugin will help us reduce the workload. Okay, Now let's start from the header. As the first step, we have to change the logo, and we don't need this get cooking or this donation page. We have to remove it, and here I will put this menu bar in left side. Okay, to do that I will go to dashboard, on dashboard appearance, and click on customize. Under customize we can see editable canvas, and here we have features that offer us with Astra free plugin. So let's start. First we have to edit the title. To do that I will click on this pencil icon, and here first we have to add a logo. So I will click on select logo, and now I have to add the logo. To do that I already downloaded the logo, so I will just upload it. Okay, just upload it like this, and you can find these images on resources section. I just add alt tag like this because it will help us to do the on page SEO of this website. Then I click on select and click on skip cropping, or if you want to crop you can just crop it. Okay, now I don't need to see this text. To change the text I can just simply remove this site title from here, and now I will increase this logo width. Let's see, this size is much better. Then here we have the logo, and if we check this on tablet version it will look like this, and if we check this on mobile version it will look like this. So in mobile version the logo is too big because our hamburger menu is not showing. So if we check the logo width, now it's selected to tablet version, sorry, mobile version. When I click on mobile you can see this icon change to mobile. Now I can decrease the image size like this. Let's make it 190, and now we have this hamburger menu. So if we go to tablet version it will not affect to the tablet or desktop versions. Okay, now I don't need this get cooking button. Just click on this pencil icon, and here we have the menu section. So I will here click on close icon to remove the button, and now I want this menu to be on the right side like this. Okay, now it's pretty good. And if we go to design, here we can change the colors, and I will show you how to change them later. Think you need to change the color of this website or font of this website, you can easily go to this global, and on global you can select the typography from here like this, and you can just select them and it will update on the design like this, or you can manually select fonts from here for body and headlines. But I will keep the default font or the font that I already selected. And if you click on this style guide, you can clearly see the style guide of the website. So here we can change this site icon. To do that, site icon means the icon that show on the tab. So here click on edit and click on site icon, and from here I can just select the logo, and now I can add it like this. For now let's just keep it like this and click on crop image. You can upload different image, but for this example I will add it like this. Then here you can change the button colors, and here I can just select the button, and I can add padding like 15, right, 20, bottom 15 like this, maybe 20 will be best like this. And on secondary you can just select the secondary button like this, and top 20, bottom 20, 20 is too much, 18, then make border width as 2. 18 is still too much. Let's make it like 70 by 70. And the text color, change the text color to this green color. For some reason the text color is not changing. Let's see. Let's hope it's fixed, and from here you can change the colors, and from here you can change the headline and paragraph text. I will keep the default stuff because keeping default stuff is the easiest way to design this website without having much trouble. So on header we can add more stuff like this. So here you can, if you want to add search icon, just click on search icon and it will add like this. Then from here is our search icon. I can increase the search icon size like this, and we have live search. So here you can, I will select only post, and on design we can change the icon color. Let's change it to like green color. And after I complete the design changes, I will just click on publish to save them. And on menu we can click on here and click on configure menu from here, and here we selected the main menu. Main menu is the menu that already generated by this template, and for now let's keep it like this. I will go to front end of the website, and as the next step I need to change this background color because this is not related to food recipes. What I can do is click on edit with Elementor and click on the background and click on style. Here is the background image, just click on it, and here are the images that we currently have, but any of these images not related to recipes, so I have to manually create the recipe images. So we can easily use tool like Canva or Photoshop. If you familiar with Photoshop, then when we create the images we have to follow this pixel rate. If we don't follow this, the image will not fit correctly. Okay, here I have the background image, and if I check it information, it currently 518 kilobyte. We can reduce it by using a site like tinypng. Go to tinypng.com and just drag it here. Then it optimized for 340 kilobyte. Just click on this jpeg button to download it, and here we go, just upload it like this. Then here we have to add the alt tag and click on select, and here we go. Now here we have the newly created background image that related to cooking, and here we can just change this text as we like, but I will keep the default text, and I hope it's easy to do, and I hope you will do it correctly like this. You can just generate the text, or you can just add the text to here. I will keep the default text because this is so easy, no? And if you have any questions, just let me know. And for edit the button, I can click on here, and here I can change the text like get best recipes like this, and here we can add the link, so we can directly add this link as blog page. To do that, I will go to the dashboard of our WordPress website, and from here post, not post, pages, pages, and here I will copy the right click and copy link address of this blog page. Just come here and paste it like this, then click on publish. So when someone click on this button, that person will redirect to the blog page. So let's try it out. Click on visit site and click on this button. Yeah, it redirect to the blog page, and on blog page we have to edit the design, and next we have this section. So here what we can do is we can just add some buttons to below and redirect them to category pages. So in the next lesson I will show you how to create categories and assign categories to blog post. Also, if you don't have any idea of creating blog post, I will show you how to do that too. Before we go further, if we check the tab, you can see the website URL, but we can change this. To change it, we can go to customize. On customize, let's go to site identity, and here site title and logo, and here we just add site title as empty, and in here we can add tagline. So I will add tagline as flavorful bites. Okay, now you can see it changed. So now I click on publish, and let's go to the home page. Okay, now you can see it show the website title. Okay, now what we have to do is edit this section. So in your case, you may choose different template, but it doesn't matter. Using Elementor, we can change any of these content that already generated. So to do that, I will click on edit with Elementor, and here my plan is to remove these numbers like this, and this. Then what I am going to do is add the link down here, and this three section will be categories of the website. So let's see the categories and post of the WordPress. In that way we can get clear idea what type of category that we add here. So now I click on publish to make changes saved, and then on dashboard, when I hover over the post, here we have categories link. Just click on it, and here we currently have a category called general and uncategorized. Under general we have 3 posts, and here we can add new categories. So we need 3 categories. To generate categories we can use AI. So I will go to ChatGPT. Okay, here let's start new chat, and this chat I will add the AI prompt, and here I have to change URL food recipes blogger. I want you to generate content for the website. The website name is, let's see our website name, it's flavorful bites, and here I will remove this section because for this one I don't need that section. Then I will say generate me 3 categories. Let's see what will happen. Okay, it generated 3 categories, but those categories text are too long, so I will say those categories text is too long. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now here we go. So here first we have quick and easy. Just copy it and come here to category, paste the category, then here let's copy this text and paste the text as description, and we don't have a parent category. Just click on add category to create the category. Then let's go to health and light. Here add like this, then paste like this, then click on add category. Then we have sweet treats, add it at the description, and now we have 3 categories. So now what we can do is go to the home page, and on home page we can edit those content. To edit it, I can click on edit icon box. When we do it, you can clearly see the content that it has. So in Elementor it has a WYSIWYG editor, so you can see the changes of your edit on real time. Okay, first I will copy this text and paste it as the title. Then let's copy this text and paste it like this, and again go here, the next one, paste like this, and copy the text, paste the text like this, then again copy this one, come here, paste like this, and paste the text. Alright, now I have to add the link. To add the link, I can click on add element and search button. Okay, here we have the button element. I will just add and put like this. So this type of button will not work here. So let's change the design. So what I can do is first I can change the text. To change the text, I will add like see now. Oh, let's go ChatGPT and ask button URL for each category. So let's say give me btn text for each category. In that way we will get unique buttons like this. Just copy it and paste it like this. Then on the link I will go to categories, and here just right click on view and click on copy link address and paste it like this. Then if you click on this link option, you can add this checkbox like open in new window. So this button will open it in new window. Okay, now let's change this design, and then we can copy the same button to other two categories. Before we do that, let's add icon too. So I will go here and give me font awesome icon for each link. Let's see what type of font awesome icon that it will get. Okay, here we go. First we have bold. Let's come here on icon, click on this icon library, and this is font awesome icon, and here we have first icon like this. Then we can add the rest item when we duplicate this button. Before we duplicate it, I will go to style. On style, the typography is okay, but we have to change the text color. So let's change text color to this color, and the background color will be none. So here click here and change background color like this. Okay, now border radius, we don't need border radius, and padding I will make the padding as 0. So now it will look like this, and position will be left, and on edge over we can change this text color like little bit darker color like this. Okay, and here we have lot of stuff to do, but I will only do those stuff. And for margin I will add 0. The padding also will add as 0, and here I can set the icon is spacing. I will add it like 6, and if I want I can change the icon position, and I will add icon position as end. Okay, now what I can do is right click, copy, then come here, just paste it, and come here and paste it like this. Okay, now I only have to change the text. So here is the second category. So the button text, copy the button text, paste the button text like this, then copy the leaf and come here, add the leaf icon, then here right click, copy link address, and come here, then paste link address like this. And the last button, click on the button, copy the text, paste the text, and here we have ice cream. Just click here and paste ice cream. Actually I have to remove this dash. Okay, insert. Now it's pretty good and it's pretty similar. Now what I can do is I can publish this. Okay, now if I view the website, it will look like this, and if I click on any of those items, it will be redirect to this page. And currently I don't have any post under this category, but if we go to this general category, we can see the post. In future we will add the post. For now let's keep going. Okay, now we have to edit this section. Here instead of having about details, let's add popular post section. To do that, on our structure we can click here, and here is the container. So I will just remove this container because we don't need it, just delete it. And now here we have secondary container, and if we want we can add it to this above container and remove this one. Then the main container, let's make it direction as column. And here I will say on ChatGPT, give me headline and paragraph for best recipes post. Our best recipes. I will just copy this. No, I have to say actually it's for home page, for post section, for popular post. Let's see, let's copy this text and come here and change the text, and then copy the paragraph and paste the paragraph here. Okay, then I don't need this one, just delete it. And now what I can do is I can search post. Okay, now here we have a issue. On elements, when I search post, we have this post grid or post element, but it's only available on Elementor Pro version. So what we can do is we can install a plugin. To do that, I will go to Elementor dashboard and let's go to plugins and click on add plugin. So here I will search essential add-on for Elementor. Essential add-on for Elementor, and here we got essential add-ons for Elementor plugin, and just click on install now. And here we have other Elementor add-ons that we can get most Elementor Pro feature for free using those add-ons, but in this case we currently only need this essential add-ons, so click on activate. Okay, now I will click on skip this step and click the basic, click on next and tick everything. If you want event calendar you can tick it too. And here on dynamic content element we need post grid, click on it, and we don't need NFT gallery. Let's click on post timeline, and here currently we don't need any of other stuff, but if you think you need any of these element, just take this like this. And now I click on next and next, then here click on skip, and here again you can add some other plugins, but I will click on finish. Okay, now what I can do is go to home page and publish the current page and refresh the page. Then here I will search post, and here you can see the post grid, so just drag and drop it like this. Okay, it added. Now we can set the preview. Here what we can do is we can go to blog section of our current website, and here is the blog grid look of our current website. So what we can do is we can match this design. Okay, so here select the perfect design. Okay, this one is the one because here we have the date, and here we can select the column count. I will set the column count as 3. Yeah, we have to set it as 3, and we don't need to have a load more. And here if you don't need to show the title you can remove it, but we need to show the title, and I will set the title as h3 tag, and I will show the excerpt. Here the excerpt is available and the length will be 10, and here I have to add read post like this. Okay, on metadata we don't need to show the author, so I will remove the author and keep only the date. And on post terms I will untick it, and on query we can add the query. So our source is post, and we have to order it by most viewed because we are going to add the fan favorite recipes. And order will be descending, and here we can set the image properties, and here I will click on manage ratio, and currently we don't see any post because on query I just selected the most viewed post, and currently any of those posts is not viewed, I think. Anyway, let's go here, and on link option we can add those link as no follow, or we can click on this target blank, which means when we click on the post it will open in new window. And now I will publish this. Then what I can do is can go to this blog, and let's try to read those blog posts. Just refresh them like this and go to other blog post, and maybe this one. Okay, then let's go to home page and refresh the page, and hopefully it should be there. If it not, let's see what we can do. Yeah, now it's here. So now we can change the design. To change the design, click on this pencil icon and go to style. On style, the space between item, just click on link value together to untick it, and I will add right as 20. I will add 10 as right and left as 10, so 20 will be the in between size, and we have to add the border radius. So let's add this as 20, and it only affected the card. So if we go here and go to blog, let's see. Yeah, we have corner on the card. I will click on edit page, and let's see if we can edit it. I think we have to edit it via customizer, so let's click here and let's go to appearance and customize. On customize, go to post types, and here we have to select the blog, and here we have the blog layout, and let's not change any of this. Here let's add this border radius as, let's add it like 6 is too small, 12 is okay. Then on image, let's add image border radius as top as 20, and the right should be 20, like this. On item, I will click here, and the right should be 20. If not, it will appear from here. Then top should be also 20, like this. Okay, now I will go to advanced, and on advanced I will add top margin as 20 to get an space. And now on styles, we have to go to metadata. On metadata, set color to, let's see, on block the color is black for the text color. Let's add text color like this. Then on typography text, let's select the accent, it's updating, and here click on typography and change this width to bold, and maybe let's make it like 14. Then make the margin top as 10. It actually not updating, but let's go to the metadata position, and position will be default. Then we are on the content, the color is okay, and the HOver color will be accent color, not accent color, the theme brand, this color. And alignment left, typography will be, what is the typography here, primary, and make margin as 0, and here text decoration will be none, like this. On margin, let's add bottom margin as like 6. Make it 0. We have to unlink value together to edit only single part, like this. 6 will be okay. And on except, color will be text color, and alignment left, typography will be text, and here the margin button will be 6. And the HOver card, I will remove this HOver icon, and let's add like zoom in. No, actually it's HOver, but I will add none, so nothing will happen when we HOver the blog post, and here I will set this icon as 0 because we didn't add the icon. If you like, you can add the icon. So let's make icon color, icon size as 18. So when it's over, you can see the icon like here. And on read more, let's change read more color to theme brand, and typography will be accent, and also change it with to bold, and here decoration will be none, and here let's make it like 16. Yeah, 16 will be bit bigger. Actually, let's keep it as 16. And on content and excerpt, make this as also 16. In that way it will be look much better. Okay, here we go. We just design the fan favorite recipes section. So I will click here, and on advanced, let's make margin top as 30 like this. Okay, now here it should load 6 items. So select here grid layout, and columns will be 3. On query, we have to set this post per page as 6. Okay, currently we only have 3 posts, that's why those 3 posts show. Hello again, I hope you get valuable information in this video, and to continue the lessons you can check all of those lessons on Udemy, so you can use the link on description to get it for best price. I will see you inside the course.